Today I'm going to give you some tips on packing for a road trip. In this case, this is a Nissan Pathfinder, 2018 model. First, I would advise putting 3 sets of earbuds and 1 set of professional grade headphones. They have your these are all what I have. I have 3 movies. The Incredibles 2. In this case, we have The Incredibles 2, Captain Underpants, the first epic movie, and of course, The Little Mermaid. Then I try to take the plate. Fold up the third row on the passenger side. Then you go on the driver's side, passenger side, second row. Take the headrest straight out. I fold down the seat for use as a leg rest. Put the headrest straight back. Store it away under this little gap underneath second and third row. Then voila, you have a perfect road trip.